Hey everyone, welcome to Bang Brews. This is my first video and I am super excited to share my passion for brewing great coffee. Today we are diving into manual coffee grinders. So we will see how you can deassemble it, clean it and reassemble. And along with that, we will have a quick explanation on what actually are clicks and how you can dial a perfect grind size. So let's get started. Well, let's closely analyze this timer C2. It comes with three parts. This is the topmost layer, which has a magnet closure. Just pull it up to close it, keep it aside. This is the middle chamber where you keep your beans for the grind. It consists of shaft and the metallic burr, which basically helps you to grind your coffee. At the bottom, if you see, there is an indicator which basically helps you to adjust the knob to get the perfect grind size. Okay, so if you move anti-clockwise, uh, it will move towards the coarser end, and whereas if you go clockwise, it will be more finer. Okay, at last we have this bottom chamber which collects your coffee, grounds, uh, and the grinds basically. So we'll keep the topmost lid and the bottom chamber aside, and we'll focus on the middle part. To unlock the bottom part and to take out the metallic bar, what we have to do, we have to rotate this indicator anti-clockwise towards the coarser end so that it opens up. So how to open it? If you try to open it, it won't open. So first of all, you have to put the topmost lid, lock it, right? And once it is locked, now you have to move it anti-clockwise. As you see, as I'm rotating, this is opening up. Okay, let me just give it a spin. And yeah, so the indicator is out. Okay, so we'll keep it separately here. Okay, so let me take this. This is also a marker, kind of marker, uh, which sits on top of your metallic bar. And here comes the metallic bar. If you see here, it is little bit dirty because 3 4 days back only I have cleaned it up. So this is a metallic bar, and now comes the spring and the washer. At last, well, now if you see, it is all empty. Keep it in the frame. Let's keep it over here. Okay, and this is the shaft on which your metallic bar sits. I'll keep it here. So for the cleaning part, just take a brush, a makeup brush, stole it from your mom, like like I did, and just clean it up. Clean the fines that has been sitting for a long time on your metallic bar. Similarly, clean your spring. Take the middle chamber, right? Take it and clean it up. If you see right now, it is quite dirty, right? Never use water. Clean your fiber. If you three taps, yeah, it's done. Now, if we look, it's cleaner than before, right? Like, yeah, much better condition. Okay, it's done. Similarly, you can clean up your bottom chamber. This is my bottom chamber now. Yeah, relatively clean. Okay, so this is how we deassemble it. Mm. These are the parts. If you see, like I'll keep it over here. Like this is the bone. Like first we'll have this middle chamber, right? On which the shaft will go. The shaft will go. Then the washer with the spring. Then your metallic burr. Then the marker that sits on top of the metallic burr. And finally your indicator, right? So let's assemble this. Okay, now let's put it back together. Let's start by placing the burr assembly back in, and then we'll screw the adjustment knob back on. Finally, attach the handle, and your grinder is good to. So let me show you how. So first, take your middle chamber, right? Take the shaft. So the shaft, take the screw part, right? You will see the grooves. Yep, the groove part, the bottom end, and the other end at the top. Place it on the top, right? It will sit here at the bottom will look something like this, right? So next thing is that goes in is your washer. So for that, first of all, just put it on a solid surface. Keep the bottom end up on the top. Take the screw, sorry, the washer, and put it in. Okay. Now goes the screw, sorry, the spring, and then the burr, metallic burr. So, so this and will be on the top. This goes up here. If you see this side. Now take the marker, this one, and place it on top of the burr. Try to adjust it. It might take some time to get the perfect position so that it goes on. Okay, so it's done. So this will look something like this. Okay, all you have to do now is just push the top part towards the bottom and try to place your indicator, lock it indicator. Okay, just try to adjust. Okay. Now this is setting perfectly, right? So now you have to just rotate it clockwise, okay, to lock it in. But as I mentioned before, to move the indicator, hmm, you need to plug the topmost slit in so that the shaft gets locked and your indicator can move. So just lock it in. Uh, so till what time you need, like till what position you need to rotate it. So you need to rotate towards the finer end. Till the time this handle gets locked. Right now, if you see, handle can move freely, right? So there will be a point where your handle will get locked. So if you see closely, I'll move towards the finer end. Keep on rotating. Okay. Okay. At this point, I can feel like it is locked. Because this indicator won't move now. So if you see, my handle is not moving. So this is the point from where you need to count your clicks. Like for espresso, let's say I use a Garo Imperial 20 bar machine, and for that, the grind size that work for me is 8 clicks for an espresso. Right. So what I'll do from this position, right? Let's see if I can get the indicator. Yeah, if you see here, right, you can see the dots, right? If you see the dots here, as I move here on the left side, it will be more coarser, and as I move towards the right end, it will be finer. So what I have to do, I have to from this point lock position, I have to move towards the coarser end. Like for my like for my grind size, it's 8 click, right? So let me show you how 8 click will look. So I'll move towards the coarser end. Okay, let me try towards the coarser end. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So this is 8 clicks that I prefer for my espresso. So you can experiment with your grind size as per your coffee machines or the equipment that you use, and you would be able to achieve the perfect grind size. Mm, and yeah, that is what click is, and you can achieve whatever click you want through this. And different companies or different brands have their own clicks. So for time more, it is 8 click for me for espresso. That's it. Now I'm going to just keep my bottoms in the pan and lock it. And yep, my grinder is ready. Yep, and that's it. Now you know how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble your manual grinder. Plus, how to adjust your grind size, right? So, okay, once again, thank you for watching Bang Brews. See you in the next video.